and the breadfruit blessing in the rain. The Dreadlocks Telegraph ascended from yard to yard through joy and pain. Every lock a line of history, every step a little prayer. Babylon come with him heart talk, we just reason we go there. Tell them I know them live, tell them heart how them feel. One loving at the struggle, make the broken road real. Hear it now, hear it clear, from the mountain to the sea. The message in the roots, you know, it belongs to you and me. Dreadlocks Telegraph, carry that word. Dreadlocks Telegraph, let it be heard. Stand up, hold firm, walk righteous road. Dreadlocks Telegraph, lighten the load. Dreadlocks Telegraph. No man born fi bow to shadow, no soul born fi stay in chains. Even when the night get wicked, morning find the rebel names. Make the small thing grow to mighty, let the liquid turn to flame. When you know who you be inside you, nobody can call you tame. Tell them I know them live, tell them heart how them feel. One loving at the struggle, make the broken road real. Hear it now, hear it clear, from the mountain to the sea. The message in the roots, you know, it belongs to you and me. Dreadlocks Telegraph, carry that word. Dreadlocks Telegraph, let it be heard. Stand up, hold firm, walk righteous road. Dreadlocks Telegraph, lighten the load. Dreadlocks Telegraph. When the market get noisy and the world get cold, hold the link when no ransom can buy. Hold the fire, hold the soul. No need for chase them glitter, no need for beg for shine. The lion out in the chest, yo, are the truest kind of sign. Dreadlocks Telegraph, carry that word. Dreadlocks Telegraph, let it be heard. Stand up, hold firm, walk righteous road. Dreadlocks Telegraph, lighten the load. Dreadlocks Telegraph. Moonlight a pour pan Marcus Garvey Square. Old zinc fence a shine, pure story dead air. Big man dream still a walking on the air. Every little picnic feel it if him care. Make we no bow fit the pressure, no saw life one bend you like branch in a stormy weather far. But the root them deep and the earth know who you are. Stand on your feet, star shine near and far. Hear the elder them say, move with wisdom, can't move blind. If you lose your way tonight, looking at your chest, find the light. Garvey Square, hold me now. Garvey Square, teach me how. Moonlight bright, my soul fi rise. Garvey Square, open me eye. Garvey Square, hold me now. Garvey Square, teach me how. If the road get
your dream in a shiny pack, but real vision no come in a glass and black. It come from a head where stay firm, no lack, and a heart when no say the future a come back. One drum beat and the whole place wake. One right thought and the whole chain shake. If you plant good seed, let the good fruit take. No run from the fire that a house still made. Hear the elder them say, Jah know every wound and scar. So when the night too long, sing your own name, sing it strong. Garvey Square, hold me now. Garvey Square, teach me how. Moonlight bright, me soul fi rise. Garvey Square, open me eyes. Garvey Square, hold me now. Garvey Square, teach me how. If the road get rough and steep, me stand up tall, me spirit deep. Enough man look down, but them can't see the mountain I built from humility. Get a youth rise with dignity. You're born for more than misery. So if the whole world cut your low, remember say the breadfruit grow slow but it grow. Yeah man it grow from the same dirt. Greatness flow. Garvey Square, hold me now. Garvey Square, teach me how. Moonlight bright, the soul for rise. Garvey Square, open me eyes. Garvey Square, hold me now. Garvey Square, teach me how. If the road get rough and steep, me stand up tall, me spirit deep. Moonlight man Marcus, Garvey Square. Truth in the breeze, hope in the air. Where you build tonight, them can't hear. Step with purpose, me brother, me dear.
Seen the morning on the zinc fence, and the breadfruit blessing in the rain. The Dreadlocks Telegraph ascended from yard to yard through joy and pain. Every lock a line of history, every step a little prayer. Babylon come with him hard talk, we just reason we go there. Tell them I know them live, tell them heart how them feel. One loving at the struggle, make the broken road real. Hear it now, hear it clear. From the mountain to the sea, the message in the roots, you know, it belongs to you and me. Dreadlocks Telegraph, carry that word. Dreadlocks Telegraph, let it be heard. Stand up, hold firm, walk righteous road. Dreadlocks Telegraph, lighten the load. Dreadlocks Telegraph. No man born fi bow to shadow, no soul born fi stay in chains. Even when the night get wicked, morning find the rebel names. Let the small thing grow to mighty, let the liquid turn to flame. When you know who you be inside you, nobody can call you tame. Tell them I know them live, tell them heart how them feel. One love in the struggle, make the broken road real. Hear it now, hear it clear. From the mountain to the sea, the message in the roots, you know, it belongs to you and me. Dreadlocks Telegraph, carry that word. Dreadlocks Telegraph. brighter. No need for beg for shine. The lion heart in the chest, yo, are the truest kind of sign.
Dreadlocks Telegraph,
Carry that word,
Dreadlocks Telegraph,
let it be heard. Stand up, hold firm, walk righteous road.
Dreadlocks Telegraph.
Lighten the load.
Dreadlocks Telegraph.
Moonlight a pour upon Marcus Garvey Square. Old zinc fence a shine, pure story dead air. Big man dream still a walking on the air. Every little picnic feel it if him care. Make we no bow for the pressure, no saw life one bend you like branch in a stormy weather far. But the root them deep and the earth know who you are. Stand on your feet, star shine near and far. Hear the elder them say, move with wisdom, can't move blind. If you lose your way tonight, looking at your chest, find the light.
Garvey Square,
Hold me now,
Garvey Square,
teach me how. Moonlight bright, my soul fi rise.
Garvey Square,
Open me eye.
Garvey Square,
Hold me now,
Garvey Square.
teach me how. If the road get rough and steep, me stand up tall, me spirit deep. Them want sell your dream in a shiny pack, but real vision no come in a glass and black. It come from a head where stay firm, no lack, and a heart when no say the future a come back. One drum beat and the whole place wake. One right thought and the whole chain shake. If you plant good seed, let the good fruit take. No run from the fire that a house still made. Hear the elder them say, Jah know every wound and scar. So when the night too long, sing your own name, sing it strong.
Garvey Square,
Hold me now,
Garvey Square,
teach me how. Moonlight bright, me soul fi rise.
Garvey Square,
Open me eyes.
Garvey Square,
Hold me now,
Garvey Square.
teach me how. If the road get rough and steep, me stand up tall, me spirit deep. Enough man look down, but them can't see the mountain I built from humility. Get a youth rise with dignity. You're born for more than misery. So if the whole world cut your low, remember say the breadfruit grow slow, but it grow. Yeah man, it grow from the same dirt. Greatness flow. Garvey Square, hold me now. Garvey Square, teach me how. Moonlight bright, me soul for rise. Garvey Square, open me eye. Garvey Square, hold me now. Garvey Square, teach me how. If the road get rough and steep, me stand up tall, me spirit deep. Moonlight man Marcus Garvey Square. Truth in the breeze, hope in the air. Where you build tonight, them can't hear. Step with purpose, me brother, me dear.